So it's taken some time and you've finally found the right person for the job. Do you need an employment contract? Well, the truth is, once you've made an offer of employment and that offer has been accepted by the other party, you already have a contract in place. An employment contract can be written, verbal, or a combination of both, and all are binding. Contracts of employment are generally governed by the provisions set down by the Fair Work Act, which means a verbal agreement will actually contain implied terms. An implied term is any term that a court considers part of a contract, even if that term has not been discussed by the parties. Now, one would think that an employee has a duty to act in good faith, but this is still a grey area of the law and only applies during the period of employment. However, most business owners expect that their staff not disclose sensitive information, even after they've stopped working for the business. By putting your agreement in writing, you have a say in the expectations, rights and responsibilities of the parties, and there is less scope for the terms to be implied. By clarifying the ground rules that may not be set out in legislation, both parties will know exactly where they stand, and that alone will reduce the possibility for misunderstandings and conflict. It is generally accepted that a casual employee is hired on an informal, uncertain and irregular basis. They don't usually receive sick leave or annual leave and are generally paid a casual loading to offset this lack of entitlements. Bar staff and shop assistants who are never sure exactly when and if they will be required to work are prime examples. RP Emery's up-to-date casual employment contract contains all the terms required to comply with the Fair Work Act, along with comprehensive instructions. The agreement template is formatted in Microsoft Word for easy editing, and it can be used as many times as you wish. Simply download your document, edit and print. You really will be surprised just how easy this is, and thrilled with the time and money you'll save.